today to review this amazing fish tank. I'm going to open it, review it with you, and show you how fantastic it is. Let's go ahead and review it together. So let's go ahead and open this amazing tank here. I'm going to show you from scratch once I open it. Once we go get the fish to get ready to put it here inside the tank, getting this tank ready for the fish and get the food, everything ready to go. I'm going to explain how we did it as well because it's an incredible tank. We are super excited to use it for our fish here. So this is what it comes in. This is the filter and all the pump that will keep the oxygen coming for the tank, and the lights around, and the beautiful LED on top as well, and the stopper. Everything is ready to go. So let's go ahead now and show you that we got ready, how we got ready for it. And we got the fish. We are getting this fish here from the store, and they were so excited to put it inside the tank. So let's go ahead and put the fish inside and show you how much excitement we had even more once we applied this fish to the tank. So now I'm going to, of course, add the conditioner for the water as recommended, and also I'm going to put some food for the fish once I put the fish, and I'm going to include the fish inside the tank and let it have fun inside. I'm going to, of course, adjust this here together and let it just apply the tube together. As you can see, very easy, and then apply it to the USB to the phone, plug it. As you can see here, this is the light, this is the other USB, and it's for controlling the light. So the other one is for the boat, and this is for, I'm going to now apply the water, as you can see now, and then I'm going to add the fish. I'm going to adjust the water to whatever level I need, because I think this was too high for us for the water, but I just try it like that to see, and then apply a little bit less water later. So now I'm just showing to you. You can also control this bumps, and now I'm adding the conditioner for the water just to keep it clean for this and safe for the fish. It's have a recommended drops percentage at the back, and then I'm going to apply this amazing fish now to the tank. I'm so very excited, and everyone is excited. Yay, here we go. And she was so excited too. Actually, she loved it. So as you can see here, the pump was not working. I just stopped it, and now I turn it on to show the fish excited of the bubbles and the oxygen that will keep going for the fish. And then we can add the food, of course, from the up there. There is a circle, the open circle over there, to add the food for the fish every single day. As you can see, I put it here without the decorations first for the fish to show it to you without the decorations, and now I'm going to add some decorations and to make the fish rest on it as well as recommended as well. So it's a beautiful, definitely recommended, very easy actually for